Bangladesh is considering the procurement of Chinese JF-17 Thunder Block III fighters from Pakistan to replace the older J-7MB fighters. Bangladesh Air Force Air Marshal Sheikh Abdul Hannan in December confirmed that the service is exploring the possibility of acquiring 16 J-10C fighter aircraft from China. Initially, Bangladesh will purchase 16 Chinese J-10C fighter to replace the older Russian-supplied MiG-29s, and now Bangladesh is considering to buy JF-17 Thunder fighter jet from Pakistan, which will be the replacement of older Chinese-supplied J-7MB fighters. Chief of General Staff of the Bangladesh Armed Forces, Lieutenant General S.M. Kamrul Hassan, has led a defense delegation to the Pakistan Air Force headquarters in Islamabad to meet Air Chief Marshal Zaheer Ahmed Sidhu, where talks were held on strengthening bilateral defense ties. During talks, Lieutenant General Hassan expressed a strong interest in the JF-17 fighter jet, with Bangladesh planning to send an official delegation to conduct a comprehensive evaluation of the aircraft. The JF-17 Thunder is manufactured in both China and Pakistan, and while almost all of its technologies are of Chinese origin, the large majority of fighters produced have been built for the Pakistan Air Force. The most complex parts of the aircraft, including its radar, engine, and avionics suite, are built in China. Following its first flight in December 2019, the JF-17 Thunder Block III has demonstrated tremendous advances over previous variants, with the aircraft considered a 4+ generation fighter with 5th generation level avionics and weaponry. The aircraft has benefited considerably from advanced technologies developed for the J-20 5th generation fighter, which provide capabilities well in advance of older 4th generation aircraft. The JF-17 Thunder is 47 feet long, 15 feet high, and has a relatively tight wingspan of 31 feet. The empty weight of JF-17 Thunder is 8 tons, maximum takeoff weight is 13.5 tons, and it can carry maximum payload of 3.6 tons. The aircraft is capable of reaching maximum speed of 1,910 kilometers per hour, or Mach 1.8. It has the combat range of 2,037 kilometers, which allows Bangladesh Air Force to cover entire side of India and Myanmar. The JF-17 Thunder Block III fighter jet has an active electronically scanned array, AESA radar, specifically the KLJ-7A. This radar is one of the smallest carried by any fighter jet. The AESA radar can detect targets from the distance of 170 kilometers. The JF-17 Thunder is powered by a Russian Klimov RD-93MA afterburning turbofan engine that can produce maximum thrust of 100 kilonewtons. Alongside the JF-17 Block III, Bangladesh Air Force Air Marshal Sheikh Abdul Hannan in December confirmed that the service is exploring the possibility of acquiring J-10C fighter aircraft from China. The JF-17 Block III is a lighter aircraft with much lower procurement and operational costs and similarly advanced avionics and weapons, although its flight performance is far inferior, and its radar is considerably smaller and less powerful than that of the J-10C. The Pakistan Air Force currently deploys both fighter classes as part of a high-low combination, with the JF-17 filling out the bulk of its large fleet, while the J-10C is fielded in a smaller number of more elite units. Bangladesh is speculated to be planning to replicate this combination, fielding the JF-17 Block III to replace its J-7 fighters, and the J-10C to replace its larger Russian MiG-29s. The J-10C has proven capable of outperforming some of the world's heaviest fighters in air-to-air combat, with the aircraft reported in 2020 to have consistently outperformed the Russian Su-35 in simulated engagements. With Bangladesh's neighbors India and Myanmar both relying heavily on the Russian Su-30 and MiG-29, inducting the J-10C and JF-17 Block III would provide more sophisticated aircraft to Bangladesh Air Force with significantly superior weaponry. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more videos, and wait for the next video.